So, how do you go from a blank page to a job-winning resume with Kickresume? Let's break it down step by step. The first thing you'll notice when you land on the Kickresume website is its clean, user-friendly interface. You can sign up for free, and within moments, you're ready to start building your resume. Once you're in, you'll be presented with a choice. Start from scratch or use one of their pre-designed templates. While starting from scratch gives you ultimate control, I highly recommend exploring their extensive template library. This is where Kickresume truly shines. They offer hundreds of professionally designed templates, categorized by industry, style, modern, creative, professional, minimalist, and even job role. Each template is crafted by design experts, ensuring it's not just aesthetically pleasing but also optimized for readability and impact. Let's say you're applying for a marketing position. You can browse templates specifically designed for marketing professionals, ensuring your resume speaks the visual language of your industry. Or perhaps you're in a creative field and want something bold and artistic. Kickresume has you covered. The beauty here is that you're not just picking a pretty picture. You're choosing a foundational structure that has been proven to work. Once you've selected a template that resonates with you, it's time to personalize it. This is where Kickresume's intuitive editor comes into play. It's built on a drag-and-drop system, making it incredibly easy to add, remove, and reorder sections. You'll see standard resume sections like contact information, summary/objective, work experience, education, skills, and projects. Each section is clearly labeled, and you simply click to edit the content. Let's start with your contact information. This might seem straightforward, but Kickresume prompts you for all the essentials. Name, phone number, email, and crucially, your LinkedIn profile URL. Don't underestimate the power of a well-maintained LinkedIn profile. It's often the first place recruiters go for more information after scanning your resume. Next, we move to the summary or objective section. This is your elevator pitch, your chance to hook the recruiter in the first few seconds. Kickresume offers helpful prompts and examples to guide you. For instance, if you're a recent graduate, an objective might be more appropriate, stating your career goals and what you hope to achieve in a role. If you're an experienced professional, a summary is better, highlighting your key achievements and contributions. The platform even has AI-powered suggestions that can help you craft compelling statements based on your input. This is a game changer for anyone who struggles with writing concise, impactful summaries. Now, for the core of your resume work experience. This is where you showcase your professional journey. Kickresume provides fields for your job title, company name, location, and employment dates. But here's the crucial part. Instead of just listing duties, Kickresume encourages you to focus on achievements. They provide action-verb suggestions and prompt you to quantify your accomplishments. For example, instead of managed social media, Kickresume might suggest increased social media engagement by 25% within 6 months through targeted content strategies. This shift from duties to achievements is what truly makes your resume stand out. Recruiters want to see what impact you made, not just what tasks you performed. The same principle applies to the education section. Beyond just listing your degree and institution, consider adding relevant coursework, honors, or significant projects that demonstrate your skills. Kickresume allows you to easily add these subsections. The skills section is another area where Kickresume excels. Instead of just a generic list, the platform often integrates skills directly into the template design, making them easily scannable. You can categorize your skills, e.g., technical skills, soft skills, languages, and even rate your proficiency level. Kickresume also has a vast database of predefined skills, so you can simply start typing, and it will suggest relevant terms. This is incredibly helpful for ensuring you're using industry-standard terminology. Beyond these core sections, Kickresume offers a wide array of optional sections you can add to further enhance your resume. Think about adding a projects section if you've worked on significant initiatives, a volunteer experience section to showcase your commitment and values, or even a publications or awards section if relevant to your field. The flexibility of the editor means you can tailor your resume precisely to the job you're applying for, adding and removing sections as needed. One of the most powerful features of Kickresume, and one that often goes overlooked, is its cover letter builder. Many job applications require a cover letter, and writing a compelling one can be just as challenging as crafting a resume. Kickresume seamlessly integrates its resume data with its cover letter templates, allowing you to generate a personalized cover letter in minutes. You can choose from various cover letter designs that match your resume, ensuring a consistent and professional application package. The platform also offers prompts and examples to help you structure your letter and articulate your interest in the role and company. Before you hit download, Kickresume offers a few final, invaluable steps. First, it provides a resume score or resume check. This feature analyzes your resume for common mistakes, readability, and keyword optimization. It might suggest adding more quantifiable achievements, improving your summary, or ensuring your skills align with your target job. This built-in feedback mechanism is like having a career coach reviewing your resume before you submit it. Second, you can easily preview your resume in various formats: PDF, Word, and even share it via a unique link. This is fantastic for getting feedback from friends, mentors, or career advisors before finalizing your application. The PDF export is particularly useful as it maintains the design integrity of your resume across different devices and operating systems. Finally, Kickresume doesn't just help you create a resume, it helps you manage it. You can save multiple versions of your resume, tailoring each one for different job applications. This is crucial in today's market, where generic resumes rarely succeed. With Kickresume, you can quickly duplicate a resume, make specific edits to highlight relevant skills for a particular role, and then save it as a new version. This level of organization and adaptability is what sets Kickresume apart. So, if you're tired of your resume being a black hole of unreturned calls and unopened emails, it's time to give Kickresume a try. It's more than just a resume builder. It's a career-boosting tool that empowers you to present your best self to potential employers. From stunning templates and intuitive editing to AI-powered content suggestions and resume checks, Kickresume simplifies the entire process, allowing you to focus on what matters most: landing that dream job. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.